Hey there, I'm Kristen Scott and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is going to be on a word that was kind of thrown around in my early education and music education studies, and it's a word that has a lot of implications for how people learn music and internalize music, and this word is audiation. So basically, when you audiate, you're able to hear a sound that is not externally present, retain it, and hopefully be able to reproduce it. So for instance, if I play this pitch, and then I go about my day, I have lunch, I come back, maybe, just maybe, I can retain this pitch and be able to shakily reproduce it like I just did. So audiation has a lot of different sort of implications, as I said, on internalizing music and how people study music. But one of the things that it really helps with is making sure that a person can basically speak the language of music. So for instance, if you can hear this pitch, but you can't hear that this pitch I'm about to play is a half step lower, then we might get mixed up when we start reproducing these sounds. And where this gets messy is, say, if you're taking a music theory class or an ear training class, or if you are writing a song with a partner and you want to adjust a melody or adjust a chord structure. Being able to audiate can so influence how we are fluent in musical, in speaking in music, in musical language. So once again, today's word that we're talking about is audiation. And audiation, in order to audiate something, you are able to hear a pitch, retain it, internalize it, hopefully be able to reproduce it. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Also check back here for updates on this topic of audiation and how it impacts musicians. See ya.